Hello, welcome to the podcast where you learn English language in the same way native speakers use them. The present podcast is about the expressions used to describe hierarchy and functions in an organization. How do we describe your function in English? In order to show you how to do that, we will start by looking at the different expressions used to describe functions. Next, we show how these expressions are used in practice. Finally, we provide you with a practice section where you can meet some real-life situations and where you have to use the expressions learned. This will help you practice what you have learned in this class. So, let's get to it. A. Expressions for describing responsibilities in English. 1. A is responsible for establishing the strategy of the company. The expression is responsible for. 2. A reports to B. The expression is reports to. 3. A responds to B. The expression is responds to. 4. A is in charge of the human resources. The expression is in charge of. 5. A leads the Department of Risk and Compliance. The expression is leads the. 6. A runs the sales department. The expression is runs the. 7. A sits on the board of directors. The expression is sits on the. 8. A chairs the board of directors. The expression is chairs the. 9. A is a member of the C-suite. The expression is a member of the. 10. A manages the information technology department. The expression is manages the. 11. A is an executive director. The expression is executive director. 12. A is a non-executive director. The expression is non-executive director. 13. A heads the legal department. The expression is heads the. B. How to use the expressions. 1. The board of directors is responsible for establishing the strategy of a company. 2. The chief executive officer reports to the board of directors. 3. The executive director responds to the chief executive officer. 4. John is in charge of the human resources area. 5. Alice leads the Department of Risk and Compliance. 6. Rebecca runs the sales department. 7. Mr. Johnson sits on the board of directors. 8. Julia chairs the board of directors. 9. William is a member of the C-suite. 10. Jennifer manages the information technology department. 11. Alex is an executive director. 12. Tom is a non-executive director. 13. Bill heads our legal department. C. Practice. How would you describe the hierarchy of your organization? Can you describe the people and what they do? Who do you report to? Who runs your department? Who are the executive directors? Which executive directors sit on the board of directors? Which non-executive directors sit on the board of directors? Who is responsible for increasing your salary? Who leads your organization? Who leads your country? Imagine other situations where you need to describe people and what they do. First, write down the areas, departments, or units and use the expressions to describe who does what. Then, use the examples similar to the ones given in section B to check your answers. Try and practice more times so you can understand and master how to describe people's responsibilities in English language. When you finish, Do not forget to write your comment if you have any problems with any of the topics discussed in these podcasts. Thank you for listening to the podcast.
I thought my heart was made to break. Somehow I was paying for all my mistakes, and that's just the way life goes. But I didn't know that out beyond all that I could see was someone there just waiting for me, in a field of flowers with colors that I'd never seen. You brought me back to love. You brought me back to life, just when I